Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I'm going to use this stamp set that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. It's called Interchangeable Car from Art Impressions. I'm going to use the pickup truck and the flower plants from the set. I begin by stamping the flower plants on my panel, and I choose this beautiful blue color cardstock from Paper Tree Ink. I will stamp this image all over the edges of the panel. And I stamped 2 panels because I'm making 2 cards today. I stamped my images on 90 pounds Strathmore watercolor paper, and I stamped them with VersaFine Onyx black ink, and now I'm going to use my zig markers to color the images. I'm going to let you watch the coloring part, and I'll be back when the coloring is done. And here I'm adding some shimmer to the flowers using my Spectrum North Sparkle pen. The stamp set doesn't come with coordinating die set when I got it from Hobby Lobby, so I'm going to use my blade cutter and my detailed scissor to cut my colored image. And here are my colored images. I love how they turned out. I have my 2 smaller panels here. I'm going to use this decal edge die set to die cut them after I add my sky and grass. And I'm using my Daniel Smith to color these panels. And the paper I'm using is watercolor paper. After the panels are dry, I'm going to die cut them with the decal edge die, and I will also die cut my 2 larger panels with Gina Marie Design stitch rectangles. I thought I needed a sun on the upper left corner of my smaller panels, so I quickly adding them, and I will color this with zig markers. The stamp set is my favorite things, Weather With You, that my friend Cheryl sent me last year. Thank you again, Cheryl, for sending me this beautiful stamp set. I used light brown where I think the darker part of the sun and blend that out with a yellow color. Let's go ahead and adhere our images together. So I'm going to just tuck in my flower plants in the back of the colored truck, and I will do the same thing with the other one. As you can see, I added a scrap of paper in the back for a little bit of dimension, so when I send it in the mail, it's not bulky and I don't have to use 2 postage stamps. So I'm just adhering them, and then I will adhere this panel on my A2 size stop folding card base, and I'm using again Paper Tree Ink cardstock, and this one is the yellow cardstock. And I will also adhere the smaller panels in the middle of the card. I will add some shimmer to my suns using Spectrum Nor Sparkle pen. And I still think there is something missing, so I will add some clouds using this die set here from Impression Obsession. And of course, I will add also some shimmer to them. And I'm just going to add them in that corner. And for the sentiment, I almost forgot the sentiment. I'm going to stamp the sentiment under the truck. And this Hello Sunshine is from that stamp set, My Favorite Things, Weather With You. And then here, I'm adding the shimmer on the clouds. And we're almost done with our cards. I'm just going to stamp the flower plants in the inside, in the corner, inside of the cards. And then to finish my cards, I will stamp my name on the back and then stamp the flower plants again in the corners. And here are my adorable cards using the Art Impressions Interchangeable Stamp Set from Hobby Lobby. I will also enter these cards on their blog for Art Impressions Challenge that they have going on right now. I hope you like today's cards. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.